If you are involved in manufacturing plastic or rubber products, you understand that quality isn't just important, it's essential. Ensuring that your products meet industry standards, start with choosing the right tensile testing machine.
Plastic and rubbers have unique properties.
They stretch, bend, and react differently under force. That's why ordinary testing equipments won't do. You need precision. A specialized tensile testing machine for plastic and rubber is designed with accuracy and ease of use in mind, giving you dependable results every time. When choosing the best tensile tester, look for these key features. First, adjustable non-slip grips, ideal for flexible materials. Second, highly sensitive load cells for precise measurement of force. Third, advanced sensor to accurately measure elongation and elasticity. Fourth, user-friendly software providing clear, detailed data reports. Testing is straightforward. Load your sample, start the test, and within minutes, you have reliable data. Clear, precise results help you ensure that your products meet quality, safety, and durability standards consistently. Investing in the best tensile testing machine means investing in the quality and reputation of your products. Contact Pacorr.com today and let's help you find the perfect testing solution for your business.